Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how for a few dollars you can rebuild or replace your key fob on your BMW. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys, and if you want to see how to rebuild your key fob guys, how to take it apart and install a new key fob for only a few dollars, you can make it look really nice, fresh looking. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It should work on multiple generations BMW from year 2010 all the way to year 2018. We're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 series, 6 series BMW, X5, X3, X4, multiple BMWs. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So let's explain guys what we need to do now here. In order to rebuild the key fob, okay, you need to get your key out. So how you do that, you press here and you pull the key out. Now that key fob, it started getting old. You can see scratched up, not looking good. I got the blue one. I love the blue BMW accent on this one. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a good price, quick shipping. Careful not to lose guys, right here the spring. When I bought it, that was covered, the logo, I think for trademark purposes, okay. But actually it came with the logo and everything the way you see it. So what you need to do now, we're going to get a screwdriver. You have to be extremely careful not to damage the circuit board inside, but we're going to come right here and we're going to start prying, okay, and that thing will be glued. Do not go too deep, because if you do, okay, if you do, your circuit board is right there and you can severely guys, severely damage it. So it came out right now. All I have to do, okay, we forgot to do that, but first we need to get, okay, we need to get the battery out. So right here through that hole, you can pry the cover open, the battery will come loose. Okay, it came out, okay, like that, the whole assembly. Now we're going to go ahead, okay, we have two options here. We can install the battery now, or we can install it through the cover, but I'll just push it here so we don't even need to open the cover on the brand new remote, so we don't need to worry about that. We're going to install, okay, this one will go on the bottom piece. You can see the places where it's supposed to go. Check this thing out, so it's fixed in place, right? Okay, like that. Clean your buttons, make sure they're not dirty. Now we're going to go ahead, press here until it clicks. Okay, we're going to get our old key because we don't want to cut the new key. Put the old key, close it, we're ready to go. Let's give it a try, see if it works now. Okay, unlocks the car, locks it. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.